Hey, hi everybody, and this is Arvind Upadhyay. I'm talking about one of the most negligible and most ignored topic in your school. When you are remember when you are in your schools, your teacher, subject teacher, never taught you about money. And in the rich society and people who are wealthy, they teach their kids about these things because one of the most important thing in life is that financial literacy. And if you don't have the financial literacy, your life is remaining without understanding the money. You are just working for the money. You have many times listened about this, that's you work for money, whereas rich people never works for money, they work for something else. Now you always never talk about money in your family, with your friends, with anyone, but do you ever know that's how really money is going to be made? It's only two ways: you sell something to make money or you provide some service. Now these are the only two ways to create the money. I mean, we are just asking and trying to understand the money. We have to know that's how we can create the money. So there is two only way: sell something or provide service to someone. There is only two way to make money. And I am author of a book called Inside of the Money, so you understand the deep concern about that's how really money works and how it's important for your journey to well-being and everything around you. You need money for that.